Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some really fun gift basket ideas along with just some regular old gift ideas, all DIY style with $1 items. I am so excited to share, so let's get into this. Do want to thank Hippo for sponsoring today's video. I'm going to be making some really fun DIYs with this transfer paper. It does say for dark surfaces, but you know what? We kind of went outside the box and I use dark and light surfaces. This is what it looks like. It also comes with like parchment paper, and it is so easy to do. You just have to follow the directions step by step on the back. It is super easy. This is better than Cricut. If you guys don't have a Cricut, this is amazing. All you need is an inkjet printer. And right here, I just made this really cute goat with a wreath around it, and I'm showing you guys how easy it is once you print it out. And then right here, you just want to cut along the lines, get everything out of there that you don't want, because it will show up on your item that you're going to be ironing on. I just went as close to the edges as I could. I did leave the white on the back side behind the goat because I'm just going to be using these white flour sack towels. These are from Dollar Tree, one for $1. I decided to make two, and then the back of the instructions just said 330 for 30 to 40 seconds, and I'm just using my Easy Press from Cricut, and I'm just ironing this out to make it look nice and smooth. And then the only thing that you have to do here is just peel the back from the image that you're going to be ironing on, stick it on here. It did come with like some adhesive tape. You could use that. I didn't even need to use that. It was just too easy to use. Adding on my paper, my parchment paper, and then I am just going to transfer it on. Easy as that. I did a few different DIYs with this because it was that easy. I wanted to make two towels. This one has a goat, and then I love Highland cows. You guys, if you are new to my channel, or if you're not new, but you just wanted a reminder, I love farm animals. I love incorporating them any chance I get. And you're going to see in a little bit that I decided to use these towels with another item I'm going to be making and making a cute little gift basket. But super easy. Lay your image down and put your parchment paper over the top. Put your iron on it. You don't have to have an Easy Press, but this is what I use and it worked really good. You can use an iron. Peel it up and you are done. The easiest transfer anything I have ever done. I also decided to make a t-shirt, and this is the little Fortnite llama. My oldest daughter loves this, so I thought it'd be fun to make like some sort of gift basket, and it is Halloween too, so if you guys do give items to your children for Halloween or just like a fun little gift idea, we don't do candy, but we do always give our kids something for Halloween, and this would be perfect, and it only cost a couple dollars to make. This t-shirt did come from Dollar Tree. But yeah, like I said, it's really easy. It's just a single sheet of heat transfer paper. You put it in the printer. You set your printer to quality photo or high photo setting. And then you just set your temp to 330 to 340 for 30 seconds. And then press the fabric for 5 seconds. Make sure it's smooth. And lay your grease-proof paper, I call it parchment paper, over the top. And then peel it off. And look at this. Easy as that. I also did some really awesome DIY gift ideas with this water slide decal paper. Now, I didn't know what I was getting myself into with this, but it looked super fun to use. So you just print your image out on your inkjet printer, high quality photo once again, and then you're just going to use this matte spray, wait 10 minutes, and then you're going to spray it 3 times total, wait 10 minutes in between each spray, and then you're going to cut your image out. And then right here, I'm just using this utensil holder. This actually came from a thrift store for $1.09, so it's still in my dollar range for my dollar gift ideas. And then I'm just going to be cutting this out, and then I already have my water ready. I knew this image was going to be larger, so I'm using a glass pan, but if you're cutting out just smaller images, you could just use a bowl. But I'm just laying this out, and then you just want to wait like 30 to 60 seconds until the decal paper can slide off from your image. You want to make sure that you wet your item down that you are going to be putting your water slide image over. So I put a ton of water on here, and then I'm just starting to smooth everything out with my fingers. And then it does say that you do want to use like a paper towel or something to remove the excess water. And then you just want to do that center outward with paper towel. And then you just want your water slide decal to dry for at least 3 hours. So once I was done with these, I just kind of set it on the counter, waited for it to dry. And then I'm just kind of smoothing everything out again, making sure the water is off, making sure all the bubbles are out. And I think this is so cute. So instead of using a basket, you can use a cute little utensil holder. And then, of course, I wanted to make something for my kids. So I'm using this little Fortnite llama once again and this unicorn, using my matte spray and spraying it down. And then once that was all done, like I said, spray with your matte spray. You can find it on Amazon, Hobby Lobby. I will link everything in the description box below. I will link the water slide paper, the transfer paper. You guys will have so much fun with this, and this is just great gift ideas. I picked up these little water bottles from Walmart, and these were only $1. And then now I'm just kind of making sure that the backing is going to come off my water slide image. And this is just a cute unicorn. My youngest daughter loves unicorns, and I'm going to show you guys some really fun gift basket ideas in a second with all of these items that I put together. Last thing I made, I wanted to make some coffee mugs. This is the matte finish acrylic sealer, and I just showed it a little bit closer up so you guys could see what it's all about. But like I said, I did the same repetitive steps for each of these. I just wanted to make a few fun gifts. These mugs were from Dollar Tree, and I'm just adding some really fun water slide decals to them. Water your surface really well, add your image, and you could probably use the backing and just like slide it on a little bit easier. I thought just peeling it off like this and then just starting to rub the bubbles out and smooth it out was just easier for me. But this turned out so cute. I am so excited about these gift ideas to give away to family for Christmas. Okay, so let's jump into these gift ideas. So right here, you're going to see everything was purchased from Dollar Tree. I love these little snack bags, these treat bags. You can find like Andes candy, Ghirardelli, Swiss Miss, a ton of name brand items. And I love being able to make cute baskets for just a few dollars. I think this costs about $10 to make total. And you could just give or take. You can even put items inside the mugs for cheaper. And you would have two gift ideas because you could use a coffee mug, some hot chocolate. You could throw marshmallows in there, candies, whatever you'd want. And there's always just so many different options. This is just what I picked up. I loved this dish drying mat because it's the buffalo check. And who doesn't like that? Paper straws. And then I love this like snack mix. They had this last year and it's by Palmer's. So good. These coffee mugs turned out amazing. I loved them. I found all of my images and everything on Canva. It is a free website, but I think for the nicer images, you do have to pay for that. I do pay for it yearly. And then I'm just adding just a ton of different stuff in here. We got the candies. We got some of that little like filler, which always makes a gift basket look super cute. You're going to see later on, I didn't use that for my kids' baskets because what is the point? And then I'd have to clean all that up. And then I'm just using this little snack treat bag. And this is a cute little burlap bag. And I threw the hot chocolate in there because I thought this actually just looked a lot nicer than just adding a Swiss Miss box to the backside. And this is what this looks like. How stinking cute is this? since this was kind of like a kitchen piece right here, a kitchen gift basket slash gift, I'm going to be using that utensil holder with the pigs. It turned out so good. I don't know if I want to give this away or not, or just keep it for myself. It is so cute. But I'm just going to throw a dish drying mat in the back side. Yes, I picked up 2 of these. I think these are really great, and I kind of wanted one for myself for Christmas. And I'm just kind of draping the towel over, but how cute did that turn out? The towel is amazing. Like I said, I love these items. I highly recommend checking out Hippo. Like I said, links will be in the description box below, so you guys are able to check it out. Have an inkjet printer, purchase this stuff. You can make some really awesome like iron-on transfer pieces. Anyways, all this came from Dollar Tree. We got cookie mix, we got spatulas, we got a spoon holder. I think this is so cute. What a great gift idea. For this gift basket, I was trying to do some sort of like video game theme because Fortnite is a video game, if you guys didn't know. But I couldn't find a whole lot at Dollar Tree with video game stuff except Minecraft stickers. Minecraft is also like a fun building type video game. But all these items were from Dollar Tree. So then I just tried to find some items that like match the water bottle or match the t-shirt. So I found some really cool like earbud cases, stickers, a movie, because who doesn't really enjoy watching a movie? And you can find movies at the Dollar Tree, which are amazing. So $1 for movies. And then I thought that since there was a fun little water bottle in here, my kids really, really like the little, oh, what are these called? The little powders you mix with water. Sometimes they taste like pop, but my kids love them. So I found like a Sonic one and Pop Rocks and really fun things that all this just matched and looked super cute in this basket. Dollar Tree has a ton of unicorn stuff. My youngest daughter loves unicorns and everything princess and anything pink. So I found some really awesome things, and I always start out with a taller item in the back of the basket. So that's why I kind of wanted to pick up some sort of coloring book or sticker, something that was going to pop and make everything look a little bit higher. And then I just started adding things as I went. I think the stuffing would have filled it a little bit more and made things a little bit higher. So I always do stuffing normally if I'm going to be giving it away. But like I said, this was for my kids, so I thought that they would just like it as is and it didn't matter. And let's be honest here, I already gave my kids these gift baskets. They loved the water bottles. They've been using them, and I just washed them by hand so that image does not come off the front. But you guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed these gift basket ideas. I promise you I will have more videos like this coming very, very soon. If you liked it, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and let me know if you guys shop for gift baskets at the Dollar Tree. I would love to know. Also, don't forget to click the link in my description box below so you guys can enter the giveaway to win some fun Hippo products. And like I said, link in the description box below. It's super easy, and it is US only, unfortunately. But like I said, if you guys want to enter the giveaway, link in the description box below, and it will tell you how to enter. But that is it. I will see you guys next video. Bye!